drainage ditch for this guy. Was not able to get the stump, unfortunately. That was way too big. Think that's good?
Yeah, that was good.
Alright. Hi guys. Yeah, so I filled that back in. And yeah, that was running this corrugated pipe, and then I'll backfill it. That was just a bush I took out the other week, and I had to get the stumps and roots up because that's where the gate to our new fence is going to be. And that's it for this girl today. That's a solid day's work. Going back next weekend to do the trench on the other side. Back out here the next weekend. Gonna do another drainage ditch from this gutter back around that side of this house, tie in another gutter, and then another one on the back. Let's get to it. Right about here. I may need to go a little further, but he had to run out, so I'm not going to keep digging till he gets back. Chop some roots out of it, so he should have a pretty clean trench to lay the pipe down in. And here's this one. This, he told me to stop again right about here, but he's not here. Still got a few roots to chop in this one. But we got that downspout coming in, and this one going all the way around the front to that one off his front porch. And he's trying to get it to kind of flow to this swale over here, but he told me not to go all the way, so just doing what he says. Alright, and once he gets the pipe in, then I'll come back and I'll backfill it all for him. I also finished backfilling a small section over here where last weekend I cut the internet line, which he knew was there and he didn't want to mark it. He told me to just dig, so I ended up cutting it, of course, but no big deal. They were out the same day to fix it, and I don't think they charged him. So we're finished on this side. Just gotta finish on the other side. Gonna actually go a little further. Alright, we're all done. All backfilled and compacted, spread out. And it's just now starting to rain, so perfect timing. Got everything daylighting downhill. Alright, I'm all done here. I just kind of regraded this area, pushed some of the extra dirt up against his house. Looks a lot cleaner now. So that's pretty cool. It's a great machine. On to the next thing.